Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, March 9th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to shoot a quick weekly payment video update and show you that I was once again paid this week from LiveGood. You can see right down here, I'm in my back office, Russ. And for the pay period, February 25th through March 3rd of 2023, today's payday, March 9th, I earned $127.38, and I'll just give you the quick breakdown of this. All right, so here you can see that my membership referral bonus was $25.30. My affiliate referral bonus was $101.20, and I actually made another retail referral bonus of 88 cents for a total of $127.38. Now, the membership referral bonus looks like this. All right, you can see this week I'm being paid as a gold rank. All right, this is my first week being paid this way. And I had 2 personally enrollers last week, so I earned $5 on each of them. I earned $1 on my level 2s, 50 cents on my level 3s and 4s. And then now that I'm a gold, it opens up the 5th and 6th level of my compensation plan. All right, so I get 30 cents on level 5. And then 20 cents on level 6. All right, and then for the affiliate referral bonus breakdown, again, I'm being paid as a gold ranked affiliate. I earned $20 for each of my personal enrollees, $4 on my level 2, $2 on level 3 and 4, and then now I get paid $1.20 on my 5th level and 80 cents on my 6th level. All right, so this is just going to keep growing and getting bigger and bigger. All right, and then you can see I have an 88-cent retail referral bonus, which I'll show you the breakdown of that as well. All right, so on level 4, I earned 55 cents, and on level 5, I earned 33 cents. All right, so again, for this week, I earned $127.38, and I'm just going to pull out my calculator and show you what I've earned since I've been with LiveGood. All right, so we'll go back down here to December 29th, my first paycheck that I received was $25. Followed by 200, followed by 165, 304.50. $2,002.07. I finally broke the 2,000 mark, all right? So, I've been with this company since December 21st of 2022, and I've earned that. So let's just go here really quick, and I'll show you. All right, we'll do a quick Google search for how many days ago was December 21st of 2022. All right, 78 days ago. So, we'll divide that by 78. All right, so right now, on average, I'm earning about $25.67 a day with LiveGood. All right, since I've been in this company. So it's an awesome company. I have nothing but good things to say about it. The products are awesome. I've been using the products since December 28th of 2022. I use them every single day. I'll show you right here my order history. In fact, I'll be getting ready to place another one here in the next week. All right, but you can see here, this was my initial payment of $49.95 to start back on December 21st. My first order was placed on the 22nd, followed by one on January 20th. This is my yearly membership that I paid. As you can see, it was a month after I joined on January 21st. And this was my third product order that I just placed on February 19th. So in the next few days, I'll be ordering my 4th product order, and yeah, we're just going to keep growing, okay? So anyway, folks, if you want to learn more about LiveGood, click on the link down below in the description box. You'll be taken over to my tour page where there's a 5-minute and 55-second video that you can check out. You can pre-enroll in there, and every Thursday night, all right, so tonight at midnight Eastern Standard Time, you're going to want to lock in your spot. So that means you want to pre-enroll if you haven't already, and then go ahead and upgrade before midnight Eastern Standard Time tonight, okay? So what that is going to do is that is going to guarantee you the best possible position in our matrix. All right, we have about 100,000 people in this company right now. There's supposed to be over 1 million that join by the end of this year. So there's 900 plus thousand people that are still going to come into this company just this year, okay? So the sooner you get in and lock in your position, the higher up in the matrix you're going to be, all right? So anyway, if you have any questions about any of this, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you find any value in this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving me a thumbs up if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot and I greatly appreciate it. Okay, and I don't do these payment proof videos to brag or because I think I'm better than anybody else. I simply do them to show you what is possible if you're willing to put in the work and stay consistent with this. All right, so again, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.